Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your SOUNDCORE C40i. We have to start by perform a soft reset, so put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, so then you just open it. It will reconnect to your phone, then check maybe it fix your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth of course should be turned on. Now, firstly, at the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and firstly we need to remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we will see it at the device list. Now just tap on it, and if you have Android also click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!